Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming hardware and network. Make sure your Xbox and Quest 3 share the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi and that Xbox streaming is enabled. Next, sign into the same Xbox account on Console and Oculus app because authentication links the devices. Once done, decide whether to use a PC as bridge or direct casting. The PC route reduces latency, but casting is simpler. Now power on the Quest 3 and put on the headset while keeping the companion app open. You now configure the actual streaming path. If you choose the PC bridge, open the Xbox app beta and start streaming from your console to the PC, then use Oculus Air Link or Oculus Link to bring that PC output into the Quest 3. This lowers input lag. If you prefer direct casting, use the Oculus casting feature to find the Xbox via the Smart Glass protocol or a supported app. Select the console and begin the stream. Make sure to lower bitrate if you see stutter. Finish by launching a game and checking controls inside the headset. Map controller inputs if needed and test responsiveness. If you notice audio latency or video stutter, reduce the stream bitrate, drop resolution to 720p, or switch from direct casting to the PC bridge. Those changes reduce buffering and improve sync. If the connection repeatedly fails, restart the router and devices, move them closer, and confirm the network uses an uncluttered 5 GHz.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.